Hello, this is Mr. Painter with another fabulous IXL tutorial. Today we're working on IXL W2, write an equation from words. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to take our words and turn them into an actual equation. So by doing that, we need to understand what some of the words mean. So let's start off and see what we got. Write the sentence as an equation. 302 is 132 less than H. Okay, so a couple things. The word is means equal. And the word less means subtract. Now, be careful with the word then, because the word then usually means switch your subtraction. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put this in that order. So we're going to start with 302 is, which is equal to, because we have less than H, we're going to go H subtract 132. Now, by looking at my equation, I could check it by just kind of reading it to myself and see if it matches the sentence up here. So here we go. 302 is H subtract 132. And because H is being subtracted with 132, the H has to go first because it's 132 less than. So that means subtract 132 from H. That's the only thing that's going to be tricky about this IXL. So if you see the word less than, it's going to be a switcheroo. So let's go ahead and let's try this. Try 302 equals, so looking for the equals on the keyboard, H subtract 132. Awesome, that just got us off to a good start. All right, here we go. We got 148 multiply M is equal to, well, the word equal, 384. Well, this one's pretty straightforward. All right, so let's just go ahead and start typing it in. So we got 148 multiply. Now, the multiplication is the star key on your keyboard. So on your keyboard, you probably have a little button that looks like this. Okay, so using the number 8, there's a little star and number 8. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold down the Shift key and tap the 8, and that star button will pop up. The star notation in a computer means multiply. All right, so we got 148 multiply M is, which means equals, is equal to 384. 384. All right, moving right along here. All right, so we got 71 fewer than G. So notice that word than right there. And the word fewer means subtract. So than means it's going to be a switcheroo for these two. And the word equals means equals. So G subtract 71, because it's 71 fewer than G, equals 172 is the equation we're looking for. All right, so here we go. We got G subtract 71 equals 172. All right, write the sentence as an equation. The total of U, okay, total means add, by the way. So we're going to use add. The total of U and 57. And because we're adding U and 57, the word and in this case means add. So U plus 57 is equal to N. That came out really nice, actually. So U plus 57 equals N. Done. So here we go. U plus 57 equals N. All right. Write the sentence as an equation. We got P multiplied by 216 equals D. The word is equal. So this one's pretty straightforward. So we're going to do P. We're going to use that star sign on the keyboard. P multiply 216 equals D. All right, next up, we got A is equal to, so A equals to the quotient. Ooh, new word. We got the word quotient. The word quotient means to divide. So what that means is quotient of A and 229. Now, they're giving us the hint to type the slash if you want to use the division sign. So we're going to change and into the division sign. So what this looks like is A equals A over 229. Now, kind of rare, you got A in there twice. A equals A over 229. Let's see. A equals, yep, the quotient of A and 229. Yeah, according to the direction, that's right. So here we go. So we're going to do A equals A / divide 229. All right, here we go. We got 89 equals Q reduced by 93. So the word reduce means to subtract. So that's 89 equals Q reducing it by 93. So 89 equals Q subtract 93. So we got 89 equals Q subtract 93. All right, next up, we got U multiplied by 26 equals 109. So U, we're going to use that little star, multiply by 26. And the word equals means equals. Very straightforward problem. This one came out really nice. So U, hit the star key for the multiplication. 26 equals 109. Okay, next up, write the sentence as an equation. In, the word is, means equal to 132 times F. Very straightforward problem. All right. W is the total. The word total means add. 292 plus A. So W is the total of 292 plus A. So total means add. M, the word is equal the quotient, which means divide. So P divide 295. Next up, we got B / divide 130 is equal to U. The quotient of 78 and J, so divide J, so quotient means 78 and J get divided, is equal to J. Okay, this looks like our last problem. Our goal is to get up to 80. So we got V fewer than 40 is equal to P. So watch out for that word then. So I'm going to write this one out separately because I do not want to miss this last problem because I'm so close to being done. So fewer and than means we're going to switch 40 and V, and the word fewer means subtract, and equal means literally equal. So let's go ahead and apply that. So we got 40 subtract V is equal to P. So V fewer than 40 equals P. All right, that got us up to 80. This concludes our IXL tutorial for W2, write an equation from words.